Hi, we have already covered up to question number 14 and now we start to solve question number 15. So देखिए हर्षकीत प्राइवेट लिमिटेड इज रजिस्टर्ड सप्लायर इज engaged in the manufacture of taxable goods. The company provides the following information pertaining to purchase and matters service available by it during the month of July. So these are the goods purchases of goods and services which is available by the Hurshkit Private Limited. To total 5 purchases are given. Okay, so in this question we have to determine amount of ITC available with the Hurshkit Private Limited for the month of July. Okay, तो जुलाई मंथ के लिए हमें ITC है वो कैलकुलेट करनी है by giving the necessary explanation by for treatment of various items. Okay, so देखिए फर्स्ट purchase in respect of raw material to be received in the month of September. So here raw material is not received in the month of July. Hence we can't claim the ITC in the month of July because I have already told about that we can claim the ITC if four conditions are fulfilled. The first condition is we have a valid tax paying document, invoice या debit note, or second condition is we have received the goods and services, and third condition is we have paid the tax amount on such goods and services, and last and fourth condition is we have filed the return under section 39. So here the second conditions in respect of goods and services to be received is not fulfilled because it is received in the month of September. Okay, second condition, membership of club available for the employee working in the factory. So membership of a club is not available. It is block credit under section 17 because we can claim the membership only in case it is required by any statutory law. Then we can claim the ITC of a membership. Otherwise we can't claim the ITC of membership of a club for an employee. ठीक है, so here no any information given about whether it is required by the law. So here we can't claim the ITC without any information. Okay, next third invoice related to input tax inputs to be received in 5 lots, out of which 3 lot was received during the month. So we have already know in section 16 if inputs is received in lots, then we can claim ITC only if we receive the last lot. Okay, so here only 3 lot is received and 2 lots are pending. So in July month we can't claim the ITC of 80,000. Okay, and fourth invoice related to truck used for transportation of raw material. Okay, so truck is a motor vehicle, and if motor vehicle is used for transportation of goods, so always ITC is available. So 40,000 ITC available. And fifth invoice related to capital goods, out of 3 items invoice 2 items is missing and GST paid on those items is 80,000. So here capital goods invoice, so 2 item is missing and GST paid on these item. So invoice, because I have already told about that to claim the ITC we have a valid tax invoice. So in this case 2 invoices are missing, so we can't claim the ITC of 2 invoice. Okay, so we can claim ITC of first invoice no, second invoice no, third invoice 80,000. Sorry, the serial number first 2,50,000 ITC we can't claim, and 1,45,000 we can't claim, and 80,000 we can't claim, but 40,000 we can claim. And in case of a fifth invoice or out of 1,50,000 we can't claim 80,000, means 70,000 of ITC we can claim. So 70 plus 40 means 1,10,000 ITC we can claim. So please verify the answer, question number 15. So we can claim ITC of 1,40,000, 40,000 and 70,000. Okay, next question number 16. Jamco Limited, a registered person, is engaged in the business of spice, and it provides the following details in relation to GST paid on inward supply procured by it during the month of October. ठीक है, तो during the month of October इस रिलेटेड अपनी इनवॉइस दी हुई है. फर्स्ट रो स्पाइस परचेज हुई, रो स्पाइस सोल्ड टू कस्टमर 50,000, रो स्पाइस यूज फॉर पर्सनल यूज ऑफ डायरेक्टर 20,000. So I have already told about that कि we can claim ITC on inputs of inward supply of goods and services if that inward supply is used in the course or furtherance of business. So here raw spice sold to customer is used for the course of business, but used in personal use, but in case of personal use it is not used in the course of business. So 20,000 ITC we can't claim, but we can claim 50,000 ITC. Okay, and next electric machinery purchase for being used in the manufacturing process. Okay, so capital goods machinery is used for the manufacturing process, means in the course of furtherance of business. So here 25,000 we can claim the ITC. Okay, Next, motor vehicle used for transportation of employee, motor vehicle transportation of employee 55,000. So higher sitting capacity of motor vehicle is not given, because if sitting capacity up to 30%, then we can't claim the motor vehicle if if this motor vehicle are not used the full, not use the three purposes are given in section 17 की for further supply uses motor vehicle, or yeah, transportation of passenger, or imparting training or driving uses motor vehicle. So in the given case, transportation of employee is not fall under transportation of passenger. Okay, so here we have no any information regarding the sitting capacity, because if sitting capacity above the 30%, then we always claim the ITC. Okay, so we can give a note and say that ki sitting capacity up to 30%, so we can't claim the ITC because of section 17, it is block credit. Or otherwise, if we assume ki sitting capacity above the 30%, then we can book the ITC. So in the answer we see what assumption is used. So here the motor vehicle is not claim the ITC. Here sitting capacity is assumed up to 30%. Okay. Next, payment made to contractor for construction of staff quarter. So construction of staff quarter, payment made to contractor. So we have already know if in our supply, if we make the payment in respect of goods services which is immovable property, okay, other than plant and machinery. So in case of immovable property, ITC is blocked under section 17. So staff quarter is a immovable property. So here we can't claim the ITC of 1,25,000. Okay. So okay, so here only we can claim the ITC 50,000, and 25,000 means 75,000. So please check the answer 75,000. Okay, next question. Question number 17. Dina Limited, a registered supplier from Maharashtra, is engaged in the manufacturing of passenger autos. The company provides the following purchase or goods available during the month of purchase of iron, which is used the raw material. Goods are received in two installments, first in March and second in April. Or we have to we will to compute ITC in the month of March. So on March we have only one installment received, and second in April. So goods received lots. So we can claim ITC only when we receive the last lot. Okay. So before April we can't book the ITC of 2,50,000. Okay. Next, purchase of accessory which are delivered directly to the dealers of the company on the direction of Dina Limited. Only invoice was received by the Dina Limited. ठीक है, तो only invoice was received. So purchase of accessory which are delivered directly to the dealers of the company in the direction of the Dina Limited. So it is case of B2 sorry, it is a case of bill to ship model, where goods are received by the third persons, and invoice is received by us. Okay, goods are received by the third person on the direction of us. Okay. So 90,000 we can book the ITC. Okay, in case of bill to ship model. Purchase of bus sitting capacity 15 for the transportation of employee from the residence of company and back. So purchase of bus sitting capacity 15. Okay, so above 13%, so always ITC available. Okay, and is used in the course of further business, because it is used for employee transportation of employees. So okay. And next, general insurance taken on car used for by executive of the employee for official purpose. So car sitting capacity never above the 13%, above the 30%. So, okay, so we assume that key setting capacity up to 30%, hence and is not use the three purposes defined in section 17. So we can't book the ITC of 5,200. Okay, so we can book the ITC first 2,50,000 no, 90,000 yes, and 1,97,000 yes. So total ITC is 1,90,000 plus 90 to 90 to 80 plus 287 287. Okay, question number 18. Comfortable is registered under GST in the state of Odisha. It is engaged in the business of manufacturing of iron and steel product. It has received the IT engineering service from Hi-Fi Infotech Limited for 11 lakh excluding GST 18% on 28 October. Invoice for the service rendered was issued on 5th November. Comfortable made part payment of 4,20,000 on 30 November, being unhappy with service provided by the Hi-Fi Infotech Limited. It did not make the balance payment. Deficiency in service rendered was made good by Hi-Fi Limited by 15th April of next year. Comfortable Limited made the balance payment of 6 July of the next year. Examine the availability of ITC with the Comfortable Limited in respect of IT engineering service received by its for the Hi-Fi Limited. So in this question, Comfortable Private Limited purchase avail the IT engineering service and invoice amount is rupees 11 lakh excluding GST, means 1,98,000, almost 18 into 11 lakh. Okay, 1,98,000 is GST amounts. So invoice for service rendered was issued on 5th November. Okay, so part payment, Comfort Private Limited also make the part payment on 30 November and the balance part payment on 6th July. Okay, so I have already told about that कि to avail the ITC we have valid कुछ some conditions are given से कि we use that goods and services in the course of furtherance of business. So first condition is fulfilled because IT in service are used in the course of furtherance of business, and second condition is we have valid tax invoice, so tax invoice is also issued. Okay, 5th November. And the second condition, we have received the goods and services, so also receive. And the third condition is कि we make the payment in respect of goods and services, sorry, we paid the tax amounts in respect of goods and services. Okay, so the third conditions here, the problem is related to third condition because इन रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ इनवॉइस पेमेंट इज नॉट ए प्री रिक्वेस्ट, बिकॉज मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब पेमेंट है हमें परचेज के टाइम ही करना है, हम पेमेंट है वो परचेज करने के बाद है, उस जो गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज जो परचेज किया उसके बाद भी हम पेमेंट कर सकते हैं, बट द टाइम लिमिट इज 180 days. Time limit is 180 days from the date of issue invoice. From the date of issue invoice we should make the payments within 180 days. Okay, if we not make the payment within 180 days, then ITC avail earlier is has to be reverse. Okay, कब, जब 180 डेज ख़त्म होने के उसके नेक्स्ट डे को ही हमें ITC है जो अर्लियर हमने जो अवेल की थी वो हमें रिवर्स करनी होगी. ओके, एंड बाद में जब हम कभी भी पेमेंट करेंगे फ्यूचर में, देन विदाउट एनी रेस्ट्रिक्शन वी कैन अवेल द ITC ऑन इन रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ सच पेमेंट्स. ओके, क्योंकि बिकॉज टाइम लिमिट इज ऑल्सो अप्लीकेबल टू अवेल द ITC की एनुअल रिटर्न फाइल करने की ड्यू डेट एंड जो नेक्स्ट ईयर है जो मतलब कि अप टू 30 सितंबर की जो रिटर्न फाइल करनी ड्यू डेट मीन्स 20 अक्टूबर related to financial year. Okay, so this is the time limit is not applicable in respect of if we make the payment after we make the payments in of 180 days condition. Okay, so here for 11 lakh rupees invoice and 1,98,000 GST amount. The total value of invoice 11 lakh और 18,000 GST. So total 12,98,000 total invoice. Okay, and make the payment 4,20,000 on 30 November. So this payment is made within 180 days. So 4,20,000 amount is paid. So remaining amount is 8,78,000. Okay, and we don't make the payment within 180 days, that is invoice date is 5th November and payment is 6th July. So the end of 180 days 5th November to on 4th May. So we have to reverse the ITC which is already aware on the payment amount of 8,78,000 because 4,20,000 payment is made, it's okay, but 8,78,000 payment is not made, so ITC amount on 8,78,000 is equals to 1,33,932. Okay, so ITC amount 1,33,932 has to be reversed, and when we make the payment on 6th July, then again we book the ITC on 1,33,932. Please check the answer. 1,33,000 मतलब कि proportional ITC 1,33,992 12,90,000 से. Okay. So on the 4th May of the next year we have to reverse the ITC which is already available 1,33,932, and again payment made on 6th July next year we can re-avail the ITC of 1,33,932. ठीक है, without any time limit restriction. Okay, so next question number 19. In this question, Messrs. Dewan and Sons of New Delhi has placed an order of 250 kg of plastic granules at the rate 50 per kg exclusive GST. Okay, And to Mr. Karim and Brothers of Noida, UP. Mr. Karim and Brothers has agreed to deliver the goods at the warehouse of Mrs. Divan and Sons at New Delhi. Okay. So Mr. Devan and Sons न्यू दिल्ली ऑर्डर प्लेस करता है किसको? मिस्टर करीम एंड ब्रदर्स को. ओके. 250 kg of plastic का at the rate of 50 per kg. Okay. While the order was getting packed at the factory of Mr. Karim, Messrs. Karim and Brothers, Messrs. Devan and Sons get an order from Subhakama Cells of Hapur, UP for 250 kg of plastic granules at 50-60 per kg. Okay, so while order पैक एट द फैक्ट्री, मिस्टर करीम ब्रदर्स रिसीव द ऑर्डर फ्रॉम किससे? शुभ कम्मा सेल्स ऑफ हापुर. ओके. एंड 250 kg ऑफ प्लास्टिक का at the rate 60 per kg. In order to save on transportation cost, Mr. Devan and Sons asked Mr. Karim and Brothers to directly deliver the plastic granules to Subhkamma cells at its godown located in the Hapur. Accordingly, Mr. Karim and Brothers has delivered the plastic granules at the godown of Subhkamma cells. Subhkamna cells at Hapur. Examine the availability of ITC with the Messrs. Devan and Sons and Mr. Karim and Brothers. So this is the case fall under build to ship model, because in the build to ship model goods delivered are received by third person on the behalf of registered person. So in the given case Mr. Karim and Brothers are supplier. Okay. And Mr. Divan and Sons are the registered persons who buy the goods from plastic from Karim and Brothers. Okay. But goods some part of goods is received by the Subkamna cells. Okay. So here the goods received by the Subkamna cells is also deemed to be received by the Mr. Devan and Sons. Okay. So Mr. Devan and Sons can claim the ITC on the whole amount of lot 250 kg at the rate of 250. Okay. So 250 kg into 250. Okay. And GST amount is 18%. So ITC claim 2250 ITC can be claimed by the Mr. Devan and Sons, and the amount received by the under bill to ship model. Okay. And plastic received by the Subkamna and cells is also eligible to claim the ITC, because he is purchased from the goods from Messrs. Devan and Sons. Okay. So 250 into 60. So 250 into 60 into 18%. So 2700 27 200 2700 ITC is claim amount by the Subkamna. So please check the answer. 2700 amount is claimed by the Subkamna, and 2250 amount is ITC is claimed by the Mr. Devan and Sons. Okay. So here we complete the question number 19, and question number 20 I think related to payment of tax chapter, because in these questions we have to identify the interest rate payments to be set up from outward supply of interstate and interstate. Okay. Interest ITC to be set up from outward supply of interstate payments. Okay. So I think this question we cover this question in payment of tax chapter. Okay. Because I have not given any idea about this chapter. I have not covered now, so we will cover in payment of tax chapter. Okay, thank you.